Hi guys, welcome to Narayana online classes, Madhapur. So I'm KSR senior lecturer in mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about some few problems based on locus. Okay, right. The equation of locus of the point P for which the distance of from P 6 comma 5 is triple the distance from P onto x-axis. Okay, so let us take a coordinate, the point 6 comma 5. So 6 comma 5, take this 6 comma 5. So what is given? A locus of the point P for which the distance of P to 6 comma 5 is triple. Suppose if you take this is the point x comma y, locus point P. Distance to this point is this one. Distance onto perpendicular distance onto x-axis. Okay, so this let us take it as a. This is m. Distance from x comma y to onto x-axis. This is y. So what they have given, distance to the point P, that is x minus 6 whole square, y minus 5 whole square equals to triple the distance from P onto x-axis. Triple, that is 3 times of, actually this distance now we have to keep it as mod y. 3 into mod y. So this is under root. So distance to the point 6 comma 5 is 3 times the perpendicular distance onto x-axis. Making whole square on both sides. It is x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 25 minus 10y is equal to 9y square. Okay. So simplifying this, we will get the answer. So this is x square y square minus 8y square minus 12x minus 10y. What is the constant? 36 plus 25, that is 61 plus 61 equals to 0. Okay, simple question. Next, a straight line passing through the point x1, y1 meets the positive coordinate axis at a comma b. Okay, so a straight line, see this. So these are the coordinate axes. This is a straight line. Cuts the axis at A and B. So let us, this is A and this is B. And it passing through the point, some point it passing through x1, y1, always. The locus of the point which divides AB in the ratio 1:m. AB in the ratio 1:m. See this? So a variable point, let us take this one locus point as h comma k, which divides in the ratio what they have given, 1:m. So 1:m. So let us take, so the line equation, let take this point as a comma 0 and this point is 0 comma b. Now if I draw this line like this, so what is the line equation then? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Keep this like this. So this is the point a comma 0. So this is the point b, 0 comma b. So a point h comma k, what I have taken, it divides in the ratio 1:m. Okay, so then h comma k is equal to then h comma k is equals to the point which divides in the ratio 1:1 into 0, 0, m into a plus ma by 1 plus m, comma. Next, y coordinate 1 into b, m into 0, by 1 plus m. So then h is equals to ma by 1 plus m. Then this implies a is equal to h into 1 plus m by m. Similarly, k is equals to what they have given, b by, so the k value b plus, so m into a, 1 into b, m into 0, that's all. Okay, so it is b by 1 plus m. That implies b is equals to 1 plus m into k. What I have taken? The line equation as x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Therefore, so this point, the point where the line cuts the x-axis a comma 0 and b 0 comma b. So I got a value and a b value. So then what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is x by, what is a? A is this one, h into 1 plus m by m plus y by b. What is b? 1 plus m into k equals to 1. So this is the line in terms of what they have given, 1 is to m. So to get the locus, what they have given, in every locus problem they will give a condition. What the condition they have given? The line passing through h comma x1 comma y1. So substitute it, then it becomes x1 by h into 1 plus m by m plus y1 by 1 plus m into k equals to 1. So then locus of the point h comma k, replace h comma k with the x comma y. That is the answer. Okay, right, understood. So a line cuts the coordinate axis at a and b. What I have taken? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So a is equals to a comma 0, b is equal to 0 comma b. After that, let us, the point, locus point, what is the point? Let it be h comma k, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to m. So I have taken like this. And what unknown quantities we have, a and b, what we have assumed. So by which a is equal to this value and b is equal to this one, substituted. And finally to get the locus, so what they are given? Passing through the point x1, y1. I substituted in this one. So then finally, locus of h comma k, h comma k is replaced with the x comma y. That would be the answer. Okay, right. Next, from a point P, the perpendiculars PM, PN are drawn to x comma y axis respectively. If Mn passes through a fixed point A comma B, then locus of P is dash. Okay, so a point, a variable point P is there. So let us take the coordinate axis like this. A point P in the plane, x Cartesian plane, P, take it as some h comma k. Right? So PM, Pn. So this is M, this is N, let us. So you know very well that this, if perpendiculars are drawn, this length would be x coordinate, no, this is h, and whereas this is a k. So a line passing through Mn, this is the line. So the line equation can be given by equation of the line passing through the points Mn, x-intercept h, y-intercept k. So it was x by h plus y by k is equals to 1. That is the line passing through the points m comma n. We have to find the locus of h comma k. Finally, we need to get the equation in terms of h comma k. After that, to get the locus, replacing h comma k with the x comma y. That is the variable point. So then to get the locus of this point, what they have given? The line Mn passing through the point a comma b. On this line, somewhere a point a comma b is there. Substitute it. So a by h plus b by k equals to 1. So then locus What is locus means? H comma k is replaced with x comma y. So that it is a by x plus b by y is equals to 1. So if you expand it, what will get? Ay plus bx is equal to xy. Okay? Understood? Very simple question. So a variable point P is there from which perpendicular drawn on x-axis and y-axis. So that this is x-coordinate, which is x-intercept of the line Mn, k is the y-intercept of the line Mn. So that equation of Mn is given by this one. To get the locus, definitely they would give a condition in the problem. In this problem, what the condition is given? The line passing through the point a comma b. Substituted. Finally, I got the locus equation. Right? Next. A 4 comma 0, B minus 4 comma 0 are 2 points. The locus of P which moves such that mod of PA minus PB is equals to 6. Mod of PA minus PB, that what they are given. So A point this one. So mod of PA minus PB is equals to 6. That is given. Okay. So this implies, what it implies? PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 6. So then this implies PA is equals to plus or minus 6 plus PB. So A is 4 comma 0, B is minus 4 comma 0. First of all, so P point, variable point, locus point, you can take H comma K, otherwise directly X comma Y also. It is no problem in this. Okay. So then make it whole square. So PA square is equals to 36 plus PB square plus or minus 12 into PB. Plus or minus 12 into PB. So what is PA square? P is x comma y. So what is the point P? You can take x comma y or h comma k also. If you take h comma k, finally you have to replace h comma k with the x comma y, obviously. So PA square, which is x minus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 36 plus PB square, x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus or minus 12 PB. Plus or minus 12 PB. Right? So y square get cancelled. So x minus 4 whole square, here this is x plus 4 whole square, a minus whole square minus a plus b, minus 16x and minus 36 equals to plus or minus 12 PB. So throughout 4 get cancelled, so then it is minus 4x minus 9 is equals to plus or minus 3 PB. Once again make it whole square. So then what would you get? 16x square plus 81 minus 72 na, plus whole square no, minus will get plus 72x is equal to 9 into PB square. PB square, what is PB square? X plus 4 whole square plus y square. So then we can write as 16x square plus 81 plus 72x is equals to 9 into, expand this. What is that? X square plus 16 plus 8y plus y square. Okay. So by simplifying this, you will get the answer. The final step, no, one step you can do. So this is a process. Okay. We have the short method also is there in conic section in second year classes in I think it is hyperbola equation. Okay. So now you cannot understand that method. This is the general method. Okay. So first I removed the modulus so that I got the plus or minus 6. Next move minus PB to right side, make it a whole square. So that one by one we have to make it cancel because PA PB means root of x plus 4 whole square plus y square like this. No? 2 times we have to make it a whole square to get the locus. So okay, simplify this one, you will get the answer. See 16x square minus 9x square. So 16 minus 9 means I think 7 something is there clearly. Okay. Right. Next, a line segment AB of length 2 moves with its ends on the axis. The locus of the point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Very simple question. So, let us take the coordinate axis like this. A line segment AB. So, take this is AB. So, line segment AB of length, fixed length, its length is given. What is given? AB is equals 2 is given. The locus of the midpoint of P which divides 1:1 means indirectly midpoint. So this is the point P. Now take it as H comma K now in this case. So what is the ratio? This is the midpoint. See, if P H comma K, for which we have to find the locus. If this is midpoint, 100% the point A can be 2H comma 0. So this point can be 0 comma 2K. See this? 2H plus 0 by 2H. Enough now? So 2H comma 0 means x-intercept is 2H, y-intercept is 2K. So that then use this AB length is given as so. So this is OAB is right angle triangle. OAB is what they have given? AB length is given as 2 units. So we got according to this midpoint because the point divides in the ratio 1:1. This would be the midpoint. So midpoint means this ends may be 2H comma 0 and 0 comma 2K. So now used by Pythagoras theorem, this right angle triangle now, so it is 4H square plus 4K square is equal to this length 2, no, 2 square. So then H square plus K square equals to 1. Locus. Locus means replace x square plus y square equals to 1. So option B is the answer. Simple? Okay? Like this. Right. The locus of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from a fixed point 2, 3 to the variable line y is equal to mx. Variable line y is equal to m. You know that y is equal to mx means a line passing through the origin whose slope is m. Some variable line as m is the parameter. So let us take this is the line, for example, this is the line y is equals to mx. Definitely line means definitely it passing through 0 comma 0 because y is equal to mx. There is no constant in that line. So y is equal to mx. Everybody you know very well the line passing through the origin. Y is equal to mx means the line passing through the origin. This is so this is not a single line. As m changes, we'll get so many lines. But always every line has to pass through the origin. Right? So this perpendicular, the locus of the foot, you see 2, 3 is a fixed point is there. 2, 3 is a fixed point from which foot of the perpendicular is drawn. We have to find this locus. Let us take it as h, k. So foot of the perpendicular means this would be 90 degrees. Okay? So, right, this is h, k. Now, see this line and this line are perpendicular to each other. So, slope of this one and slope of this one, product of the slopes equals to -1. What is the slope of this line? H minus 3 by k minus 2 into slope of this one. So, 1 minute. Okay. So, what is the slope of this one? K minus 3. K minus 3 by h minus 2 into what is the slope of this one? K minus 0 by h minus 0 is equal to -1 because this line and this line both are perpendicular to each other. Product of the slopes equals to -1. So this implies h into h minus 2 plus k into k minus 3 equals to 0. Cross multiplication and moving to left side, we will get this one. After expanding this, what we will get? h square plus k square minus 2h minus 3k equals to 0. So locus, this is variable point now, locus. So locus can be this x square, h comma k would be replaced with the x comma y. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3y equals to 0. Okay, so what is the answer? So third option is the right. Find the equation of the locus of a point which is at a distance of 5 from minus 2 comma 3 in xy plane. So simple question. So then it is obviously it is the definition of a circle, the locus of a point which is at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So 2 comma 3 x comma y. So what is given distance between them? What is the distance? X minus 2 whole square, x plus 2 na, y minus 3 whole square under root is equals to 5. So make it whole square. This is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to 25. So this implies this x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. This is 12 4 13, which is minus 12 equals to 0. That is the locus, which is simply circle. You know that locus of circle is the locus of a point which is at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So this is the fixed point and fixed distance is radius of the circle. So this is like this, right? Next, find the equation of the locus of the point P. If the distance of the point P from A 3 comma 0 is twice the distance of P from B point. So very simple. So what is given indirectly? PA is equals to twice 2 times of PB, that is given. So then PA square is equals to 4 into PB square. What is PA square? Is x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 4 times of PB square, x plus 3 whole square plus y square. So this is x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square equals to 4 into x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square. So now, so 4x square minus x square, 3x square, 4y square minus y square plus 3y square, 4 6 are 24x plus 30x plus 30x. Yes. So there is no y term, no? Very good. So then what is the x square? Constant is a 4 9 is 36. 36 minus 9. 36 minus 27 plus 27 equals to 0 like this. Okay, na? 4 9 is 36. Yes, right. Okay, is equal to 0. Very simple question. Distance from point that is PA. Twice the distance to the point B, that is to be simply simplified. Okay, right. Find the locus of the third vertex of right angle triangle, the ends of whose hypotenuse are 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. Simple. So 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. So they were telling 4 comma 0 means generally it lies so somewhere here 4 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 4. So these are fixed points. So a point is there. Let us take the h comma k. What they were telling? Hypotenuse. This is right. Always it form a right angle triangle. So very simple thing. 90 degrees means product of the slopes equals to -1. Otherwise you can take a Pythagoras theorem also. It's no problem. So what is the slope of this line? It is k minus 0 by h minus 4 into slope of this point k minus 4 by h minus 0 is equals to -1. So then it is k into k minus 4 is equal to minus of h into h minus 4. So then it is h into h minus 4 plus k into k minus 4 is equals to 0. So then it is h square plus k square minus 4h minus 4k equals to 0. So locus. This is a variable point now. So h comma k. See, this is condition for one point. Like this, we have infinite number of points which form right angle triangle. So that locus means replace with the. So it is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equals to 0. Okay? Like that. Find the equation of locus of P if the ratio of the distance from P to A 5 comma minus 4, B 7 comma 6 is 2 is to 3. Very simple. So they have given ratio PA is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3 is given. PA is to PB is 2 is to 3. So then we can write as PA by PB equal, that is 9 PA square is equals to 4 PB square. So expand it. So it is 9 PA square. What is here? This x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 times of PB square. X minus 7 whole square, y minus 6 whole square. That's one. So it is 9 into x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 4 into x square plus 49 minus 14x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. So just simple way. This 9x square minus 4x, this is 5x square, 9y square, 4y square. So 5y square. This is 9 into minus 10, minus 90x. This is minus 56x. Okay, minus, it comes to plus. Minus 90 plus 56. So 90, 56, 4, 34. So it is minus 34x. Next, 9 8 is 72y. So then minus 48 plus 48, 72 plus 48. 72 plus 48 is 10, 120 na? So plus 120y. So what is the constant? 9 16 are 144. 144, no. 25 plus 16. See 41 na? 41 nines. 41 nines, 9 1 369. This one, 49 plus 36. 49 plus 36, 5, 8, 85. So 85 4 0. So 20, 34, 340. So this one 369. 369 minus 340. So that is 29 something. Whatever it is, this is the process. Okay, like this. Okay. So what they have given, the ratio is given 2 is to 3. So PA by PB equal to 2 by 3. So making whole square, we will get the answer. Next, A 2 comma 3, B minus 3 comma 4, 2 given points. Find the equation of the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is 8 comma 5. So simple. So, let us take the point P, x comma y or h comma k. A 2 comma 3, B minus 3 comma 4. So what they have given, area of triangle PAB is equals to 8.5. So what is the area of the triangle? Half into Area of the triangle, in coordinate system, you learn that area of the triangle, x minus 2, x plus 3, y minus 3, y minus 4 is equals to 8.5. So then it implies mod of x minus 2 into y minus 4 minus y minus 3 into x plus 3 is equals to 17. 2 cross multiplied, 8.5 into 2, 17. So then expand this, mod of is xy minus 4x minus 2y plus 8 minus xy, y into x, minus 3y plus 3x plus 9 is equals to 17. So xy will get a cancel. So this implies mod of, this is minus 4x plus 3x, which is minus x. Okay? So minus 2y minus 3y, which is minus 5y. What is the constant? This is 8 plus 9, 17. Equals to 17. Okay, na? Minus 4x plus 3x minus x minus 2y minus 3y. So minus 5 equals 17. So then now we have to remove the modulus. So it is actually mod of x plus 5y minus 17 is equals to 17. So then later we can write as, after removing the modulus, what will get? X plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 17, that is one case. X plus 5y minus 17 is equal to minus 17. So then here we'll get x plus 5y minus 34 equals to 0. This is x plus 5y equal to 0. So locus means multiply both, locus. So what is the locus? X plus 5y minus 34 into x plus 5y equals to 0. So this is the locus, product of two lines. Important model, this one. Okay? So 2 points are given, third point is the variable point. But always it is keeping area is 8.5. So variable point I have taken as x comma y. Area of triangle PAB is given as 8.5. So then formula, this is direct formula, half into x minus 2, x minus of plus 3. Similarly, y minus 3, y minus 4. So delta, x minus 2 into y minus 4 minus y minus 3 into x plus 3 equals to 17. So simplifying, after that we have to remove the modulus, because area must, we have to keep modulus. Area must always be positive. So that after simplifying, after removing the modulus, we'll get plus 17 and minus 17. So like this, one condition is this one is this one. So by taking the product, we'll get the actually pair of lines, that is pair of two straight lines. Like find the equation or locus of the point P, that square of whose distance from the origin is 4 times to its coordinate. So P point origin, so that means if you take the coordinate axis like this is origin 0, 0. So this is the point P. So variable point now let it be x, y. So square of the distance, what they have given? OP square. Square of the distance from the origin is 4 times the y coordinate, 4y. So what is OP square? Distance between them, x square plus y square equals to 4y. So then it is x square plus y square minus 4y equals to 0. Understood? What again? P is the variable point. Let us take h comma k or x comma y. So square of whose distance from the origin to distance, OP square. So x square plus y square. 4 times of y coordinate, 4y. That's all. Okay? So this is a circle equation. Next, find the equation of locus of the point P such that PA square plus PB square equals to 2C square, where A and B are given like this. What is simple? So PA square plus PB square is equals to 2C square. P is x comma, you know, PA square is x minus A whole square plus y square. PB square, B is minus A comma 0, x plus A whole square plus y square is equals to 2C square. What is given? That is 2C square is given. So this is 2 times of x square plus A square, A minus B whole square, A plus B whole square, plus 2y square is equals to 2C square. Through 2 will get cancelled. X square plus A square plus y square is equals to C square. So this is the locus. Simple question. Okay, next. Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtend right angle at P. Simple. So this is the line joining of what is this? 2, 3 and minus 1, 5. So it subtend a right angle at P. So this is the point P. Take it as either h comma k or x comma y. So it depends when we are taking the locus. Sometimes we must take h comma k, but sometimes we can take this kind of problems. But you have to remember that kind. Sometimes definitely you have to take a h comma k, but finally h comma k is replaced by x comma y only. Okay, so same thing. So right angle triangle, this is 90 degrees. So that product of slope of this one into slope of this one minus 1. So it is y minus 3 by x minus 2, x minus 2 into y minus 5 by x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this implies x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus y minus 3 into y minus 5 equals to 0. So expand it, this is circle equation, okay? So like this. The ends of hypotenuse of right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of the locus of the same model. So product of the slopes equal to 1, same to same question. Understood? So third point is x comma y. So product of slope with 0, 6 and slope with 6, 0. Next, find the equation of the locus of P if A is equal to 4, 0, B is equal to minus 4, 0. So mod of PA minus PB equal to 4. Same model we have done now. So what we have to do? Say already we have done with 6. So mod of PA minus PB is equals to 4. So what I said, this implies PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 4. So this implies PA is equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB. Okay, same, whole square. So PA square is equal to 16 plus PB square plus or minus 8 PB. So PA square x minus 4 whole square plus y square equal to 16 plus x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus or minus 8 PB. So this is minus 16 x a minus whole square a plus minus 16 xy minus 16 equal to plus or minus 8 PB. Throughout 8 will get cancelled. So it is minus of 16x minus of 8 cancel, minus of 2 into x plus 1 I think is equals to plus or minus PB. Make it whole square again. 4 into x plus 1 whole square equals to PB square. What is PB square again? X plus 4 whole square plus y square. So expand it, we will get the answer. Same model. So important, this is also important model. Very simple, within 4-5 steps. But we have to take 2 times of whole square. Okay, expand this, we will get the answer. Next, A 5 comma 3, B 3 comma minus are two fixed points. Find the locus of P so that the area of the triangle PAB is equals to 19. Same. So let us take P is equals to x comma y, A is equals to 5 comma 3, B is equals to 3 comma minus 2. Area is given as 12. What is the area of the triangle? Half into, what I done? X minus 5, x minus 3, y minus 3, y plus 2 is equals to 9. What is this? 9. Area of a triangle. So then det of modulus of x minus 5 into y plus 2 minus y minus 3 into x minus 3 is equals to 18. So multiply this implies is xy plus 2x minus 5y minus 10 minus xy is plus 3y plus 3x minus 9 is equals to 18. So xy will get cancelled. This implies mod of 2x, 3x is 5x, minus 5x, minus 5, minus 2y, minus 10, no, minus 19 is equals to 18. Same model. So 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to 18, one condition. So it is 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to minus 18, one more. So this would be 5x minus 2y minus 37 equals to 0. This is 5x minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So what is the final answer? The answer could be 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the answer. Same process. Okay. So each two times we got, but important one. Okay guys, it's over. Thank you very much. Bye.